Hi all, welcome to Jay's Crafters World. Do like, share and subscribe. This video is on handmade studs using ball chain. First we'll check with the materials required. You'll be needing ball chain. Here I am going to make 2 sets of earrings. So I have taken 4 different colors of ball chain. Then you'll need stud back, kundan, fabric glue, scissors or blade, cutter, then quilling strips, quilling needle, cardstock, paint and brush. First we will make the quilt base. Here I have taken 3 mm golden shade quilling strips. I have taken 2 strips together, so joining it and then insert one end into the needle and make the quilt coil. Make 2 coils for the pair of earrings. Next, we will be placing the stud back. So apply little glue to the coil and then place the stud back. Allow it to dry for some time. So after some time, the stud backs are fixed. Now you can start the designing. So first apply glue, then fix the kundan to both the pair of earrings and allow it to dry again for some time. Then we can start the work with the ball chain. Now apply glue to the sides of the kundan and fix the ball chain. Cut the extra ball chain using the cutter. Similarly, you can continue with the next color of ball chain we have taken. So now the studs using quilt coils are ready. So now we will see how to make a stud using cardstock. I am going to make a oval shaped stud, and so I have drawn a oval. I have taken 2 cm by 1.6 cm, and then I am using a blade to cut the sides of the oval made. Now using the first base, trace the oval in the cardstock for the other bases. For this stud we will be requiring about 8 pieces of oval bases. Once all the 8 bases are ready, we can fix the stud back. So first apply glue and fix the stud back to 2 oval bases. Once it is dried up, we can fix the other bases that have been cut and kept. Now using the stud back base, prick a hole to the center of the oval base. Similarly, do it to all the bases. Now using glue, attach all the bases together. So totally 4 bases in one pair of earrings. Then using a sandpaper, smoothen the sides of the base. Now apply paint to the base. I am applying in the front side, the back and the sides of the base. Allow it to dry for some time before we start with the designing work. So before starting the designing, we will fix the oval base to a thermocol so that it doesn't move. And then now apply glue to the base and attach the kundans and rest it for some time. So once the kundan is dried up, we will fix the ball chain. So apply little glue to the sides of the kundan and then fix the ball chain. Cut the extra ball chain. Similarly, you can do it with the other set of ball chain. So once the silver ball chain is been fixed, I am fixing the violet ball chain again. So I am taking about 7 ball beads from the ball string and then fixing it to the sides after the silver ball chain. Similarly, do the next pair of earrings. If you like the video, give us a like, subscribe to the channel. For regular updates, press the bell icon. Thanks again for watching the video. Follow us on Insta and Facebook.